In this video, we'll show you how to access and navigate the Sugar Connect sidebar, the central hub of Sugar Connect. The sidebar allows you to view and edit Sugar records directly from your Gmail account without opening your Sugar instance. Let's begin by accessing the Sugar Connect sidebar in Google Gmail. To access the Sugar Connect sidebar in Gmail, simply click on the Sugar icon on the right side of Gmail. Some Gmail themes allow you to collapse the panel to the right of the screen. If you don't see any icons there, look for an arrow in the bottom corner of Gmail to expand the side panel icons. The sidebar will populate on the right-hand side of your screen. Sugar Connect will attempt to match the email address of a sender or recipient to an existing lead or contact record in Sugar. Simply view the email message and open the sidebar if it's not already open. If a match is found, the record will display in the sidebar's record view. If no match is found, Sugar Connect will offer you the option to create a new lead or contact record. Please note, if the sender or recipient is a user in Sugar, the user details will be displayed in the sidebar, and the option to add them as a contact or lead will not be available. Click on the drop-down field to retrieve additional email addresses found in the To, From, CC fields of the current message, and view their related Sugar lead or contact records in the sidebar. Navigating the sidebar interface. The default landing screen for the sidebar is the Home view. Click the Home button at the bottom of the sidebar to return to this view at any time. Let's walk through each of the sidebar's key components. At the top of the sidebar, you'll find the search bar. Use this to quickly find Sugar records. You can view and edit records directly within the sidebar. Clicking the Tracked Emails badge shows a list of tracked emails, including opens, link clicks, and replies. The Tracking Activity badge displays these activities in chronological order. A red notification icon will appear to indicate new tracked activity. Scheduled Emails shows emails that are queued, completed, or failed, either archived or scheduled to be sent later. Next is the Sugar Modules and Records section. This displays modules such as opportunities, tasks, and cases. To go back to a previous screen, click the back arrow at the bottom left of the sidebar. Click the Related Entries icon to view Sugar record details related to senders or recipients from the selected Gmail message. Scheduler allows you to view your Sugar Connect meeting scheduler event types and copy their links to send to customers, colleagues, or prospects. Archived Emails shows the status of messages that have been archived. To access configuration options, click the Settings gear icon in the bottom right corner. Let's see how these features work in action. We're in the Gmail app, and I'll start by clicking the Home icon to return to the main view. In the search box, I can type keywords and press Enter to search my Sugar database. I can refine results using the Module Selector to limit my search to specific modules. When I find the record I need, I can click it to open the Record view, which shows detailed information and related records. Let's click the Back button to return to the Home view. If I want to explore a specific module without searching, I can click the module name to enter its list view. By default, I'll see records assigned to me. I can apply different filters by clicking the Filter icon and selecting from available options. Any saved filters I've created in Sugar for that module will also appear here. Use the Action menu beside the Filter icon to search within the module, create a new record. Refresh the list of records and filters. Clicking on a record name in the sidebar takes you to that record's record view. In this case, I'm looking at an account record, so I can see the account details at the top. If I scroll down, I can view any related records and additional information. Next, we'll take a look at the Related Entries icon. If you're viewing or drafting an email message and want to see if there are any matching records with the same email address in Sugar, click the Related Entries icon at the bottom of the sidebar. Sugar Connect will load the first email address it finds in the drop-down at the top of the sidebar. I can see that the email address matches the one in my inbox. I'll click on the matching contact, and I'll be able to see the contact details for that record. If the message contains multiple email addresses in the To, From, or CC fields, those addresses will also appear in the drop-down list. You can select any of them to view matching records. If Sugar Connect does not find a match, it will give you the option to add a contact or lead record. and archive the email. Provided that the Enable Archive toggle is enabled by your Sugar Connect administrator, click the Settings gear icon to open the Settings menu. Here are the available options. General options: enable dark mode, autosave attachments, populate Sugar Hint data when creating records, and relate emails to account or contact records on archive. Email tracking options: adjust settings for opens, link clicks, and replies. Open Sugar: launch your Sugar instance in a browser. Open Sugar Connect portal: open the Sugar Connect portal. Documentation: opens Sugar support documentation. Reload: refreshes the Sugar Connect integration. About Sugar Connect: displays connector version, Sugar version, and authentication info. Log out: revokes your credentials without uninstalling. You can log back in or switch users. Now that you're familiar with the Sugar Connect sidebar and all its features, you should feel confident navigating and using it within your Gmail account. Thanks for watching.